Hi everyone, welcome to JI Insights. So today we have brought yet another video on productivity masterclass, and today we are going to see and learn how to create engaging design using the Morph application in MS PowerPoint. So without much ado, let's go into the demo session. So this is my Microsoft PowerPoint application. I'm going to create a new slide. I'll go on the slide and I'll say right click. I'll go to layouts and I'll say blank. So to create a engaging design, what I plan to do is to do some design thinking, right? And I would want to create a design that show some kind of sequential diagram in order to visualize it. So to do that, I will go ahead and create a shape. I'll go to create shape. I'll take the rectangle, and from rectangle I will start creating some boxes. Okay, and I will also I'll create some boxes right there. And if I have to create some visual representation that symbolizes some data that is sequential in nature, right? This is for that design. Yeah. Okay. Just try to fit all of the boxes in the slide. I'll just do a little tweak one more time. And that's it. Okay. Now to create this sequential visualization, what I will try to do is first I will try to give different colors to my rectangular shapes that I have in here so that I can differentiate the information that I'll be putting in. Yeah. Now next what I will try to do is I'll create, since this is a sequential information that I will be putting in, right? So I'll try to put some arrow as well, and I for every box I'll try to put the rectangle. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the rectangle same color as the previous box. As you can see, there's some kind of outline here, so I'll have to remove the outline. Sorry, we'll have to remove it from the shape, and that's it. Okay. uh, I'll have to give this triangle this color. Okay, so now all my triangles have the color to the shape, rectangular shape beside it, to the left side of its position. Now next what I have to do is I have to put some text. So I'll go to the insert bar and I'll say text. I'll bring in the text box. I'll say text here. I'll say content A. And I will try to give it a I'll try to use Anton or some other Arial heading. Arial black. try to increase the color. I'll try to increase the size then, and I'll then move this on all the slides on the shapes, since this is going to be, there's going to be content on all of these. So since this is this, try to use some color like this, maybe some darker color, and so, and white for this, or gray. So now the next what we can do is, of course you can have a content here as well, but I'm not going to touch on that, right? So you can add as per your necessity. I'm just showing you how to design this kind of visualization, right, for sequential data that you would want to present on the slide using the morph function. So next what you have to do is you have to go ahead and group all of this content on all each of the boxes, the rectangular boxes. So what you'll do, you'll select all of the content and you'll press the shift button and you'll select the rectangular shape and the content, and you're going to say control G. You're going to select it, select the triangle, and you say control G. So it will, what it will do is it will go ahead and group the whole thing. For this as well, for this shape, you, this will may not be visible, but just for your uniformity, I will go ahead and I'll add this triangle as well. So I'll go ahead and I will group them as well. Now what you have to do is, the next thing you have to go to the each triangle, and you have to ensure that it is that you have to select this bring to front. Okay, so you'll bring all of this, and remember you have to select from the second one. Now you'll select the third rectangle box and you'll say bring to front, and you'll select the second one, next one, and then the next, and you'll say bring to front. So now what you have, the next step what you have to do is you have to take a duplicate slide, and on the slide which you have, which was the previous slide, you will go to the previous slide and you will press the shift button and you try to push the slides backwards. So you'll do this step for all the slides. You hold the shift key and you will use the mouse and you'll push all the slides in this fashion, so that it's not totally covered, but there is a wave design that comes up on all of these design. Okay, next what you have to do is, I think we are pretty much done. You have to, what you have to do is you have to select both the slides. You'll have to go to the transitions and you have to select morph. Okay, so let's go and see whether this works or not. So here this is a design, and as you can see you have created this engaging design in Microsoft PowerPoint. I think the only thing that you might want to do is to remove the shape outline from here. Remove it. Okay, and similar to this you will have to do the same thing from here as well. Remove the shape outline. Okay, then you'll have to do the similar thing from here for these two as well. Okay, now let's go and see how the design looks like. Wow, So I hope you get this design. It looks engaging. Please do like and subscribe and share your views, how you found this design to be, or is there any other recommendations that you would like to share. And so guys, I hope you like this video, you like this design, what I've created here for you, and it's pretty engaging when you are putting your sequential data into PowerPoints. You can use this kind of design using Morph function, which is a very powerful utility tool. Do like and subscribe and share your comments under the video to tell us how you found this video to be. So thank you so much. We'll see you the next time.